Now I'm going to go over how to transfer your Animal Crossing save data. The two ways to do this is if you have Nintendo Switch Online, you can back up a save file of your island to the cloud and then download it on your new Switch. Or if you don't have Nintendo Switch Online, you can use what's called the Animal Crossing New Horizon Island Transfer tool, which is something you can download for free from the Nintendo eShop, and you'll download that on both consoles. First, I'm going to go and open up Animal Crossing and show you how to back it up to the cloud if you have Nintendo Switch Online. This is kind of convenient because if you do it this way, you can trade in your old Switch before getting your new one and then transfer over your island. But if you don't have Nintendo Switch Online, you have to have both consoles in front of you in order to transfer over your island. So once the main screen here is loaded up, don't go into the game yet. On the title screen here, hit the minus button on your controller. Click through all of this. So you can, from here, you can move to a new island and create a new island and check a bunch of things like that. I'm going to go to Island Backup. So I already have that backed up, but that's where you would go and back it up. And on your new Switch, you would just open up Animal Crossing and you could download the island that way from the title screen there. So that's if you have Nintendo Switch Online. You have to back it up in the game itself from there. You can't just do it in your saved backups in the normal system settings like you can with most other games. So do keep that in mind. Now we're going to go over how to do it if you don't have Nintendo Switch Online and you have both consoles in front of you, which you have to have. Download the Island Transfer tool from the eShop and open it up on your old Switch here. Press A. So we're going to go ahead and click continue so we can transfer. It asks you to connect it to an AC adapter just to make sure that it doesn't die during the process. Okay, we're going to click let's begin. Yes, this is the source system. This has the save data that I want to transfer over. That's the island I want to transfer. So now it's asking us to launch the island transfer tool on the new Switch. So we're going to go and open it up on the new Switch on the right here. And we're basically going to go and click through the same options. Click continue, click OK, let's begin. And this is the target console. We want it to move over here. Okay, here we go. And let's look at the other system. It says follow the instructions until you see the button that reads proceed. Once you see that button, please press continue on this system. So we're going to go to the old system first and click continue. Now we're going to press proceed on the new console. And we can see the island is ready here. We're going to remember you can't cancel after this point. So make sure this is what you want to do. Click proceed. And then on the old console, make sure it's going to the right switch, which it is. Click continue. Transfer data. Now it's transferring the data from the old switch to the new switch, and this could take a little while. So I'll speed up this video so you don't have to wait that long to see how to wrap this up. There we go. The save data transfer is complete. You can resume playing with the transferred save data by launching Animal Crossing New Horizon on the target switch system. Please close this tool from the home menu, and then on the new switch, the save data has been transferred to the system. Please close the island transfer tool from the home menu. So on the old switch, we're going to go to the home menu, and then we're going to hit the X button while we're hovering over the transfer tool and click close. Now that is closed out, and we're going to do the same thing on the new system. Go to the home screen, make sure we have the island transfer tool selected, and we're going to click close software. There we go. Now you may have transferred that over, your save file over to the new system, but it doesn't transfer the game. So if you don't have the game loaded on here, you need to do that. If you have a physical copy of the game, you just pop the game in the game slot. If you had a digital copy of the game, you want to jump to the Nintendo eShop on your new Switch, select the correct user, and from here we can go and re-download the Animal Crossing game by jumping over to the user icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen, going down to re-download, and finding Animal Crossing New Horizons, clicking the little cloud button. That will download the game to the system, and once it's downloaded, you can open it up and start playing on your island again. So that's how you go ahead and transfer your save data for Animal Crossing New Horizons from one Switch to the new Switch, whether you did the cloud backup or you need to use the system transfer tool. The island transfer tools seem to be kind of the easiest way to do it if you have both Switches. Hopefully this video helps, and if it does, go ahead and leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this one on how to make your technology work better for you. Thanks.